With a maximum working pressure of 125 pounds per square inch, this blaster offers significantly more power than siphon-fed models, making quick work of large surface preparation tasks. The generous 10-gallon tank capacity allows for extended periods of continuous blasting, minimizing downtime for refills on substantial projects. Built from high-quality welded steel and finished with a protective coating, the Sandblaster's robust construction is designed for durability and enhanced operator safety. Its design incorporates two large 6-inch rubber wheels and a long 8.2-foot hose, providing excellent mobility for maneuvering around the workshop or tackling outdoor projects. Thoughtful features such as an integrated moisture separator to prevent clogs and a clear pressure gauge for monitoring make operations straightforward and reliable. This unit arrives as a comprehensive kit, complete with 4 ceramic nozzles and all necessary fittings, so you can get started on your projects right away.